In Arizona's vast domain, where saguaros reach the sky, a flash of red, a sweet refrain, a cardinal flutters by. With feathers like a fiery blaze, a gem amidst the wild, he sings of sunlit desert days, in tones both soft and mild. He dances through the azure vast, a spectacle so bright, a contrast, gainst the landscape vast, he's nature's own delight. Atop the cactus' spiny throne, he sings without a sound, a desert king, though not alone, where peace and love abound. A beacon of a love so pure, in loyalty he's clad. Above, he soars, with heart so sure, and makes the spirit glad. In Sedona's red rock tapestry, where ancient spirits sway, he guards with grace, so masterly, in his own special way. Here's to the Cardinal, bold and true, in his cloak of fiery light. May his song, like morning dew, greet the dawn so bright. More than a bird, he's a tale in red, a beauty to behold. In every word that he has said, a story to be told.